Hello Stampers, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today we're going to do something a little different. I'm so excited because we are going to unbox my holiday catalog pre-order. Now all my wonderful customers are going to be able to order from this beautiful catalog starting on September 4th, and you're going to love it because it's the best holiday catalog I've seen in years. I'm so sorry that I can't show you any of the inside, but you can just have a look at the cover, all the amazing products here. This catalog is packed with wonderful goodies to help us celebrate autumn, Halloween, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and of course, Christmas. Now, just one of the many perks of being a demonstrator is that I get to order from this catalog a month early. And of course, I get a 25% discount on all the products that I order. There are many other perks too, like the ability to earn bulk discounts and flex points and all kinds of other incentives throughout the year. You get access to online and print resources to help you build your crafting skills and your business strategies. And you get membership in exclusive Facebook groups where we share ideas, inspiration, business tips, everything else to do with being a demonstrator. Plus, of course, you've heard me talk about the amazing events that Stampin' Up! Hosts for its demonstrators, like On Stage that I went to in the spring. This November, On Stage is being held in Edmonton, and there's also an amazing business training event taking place in Richmond, BC the same month. There's also an incentive trip every year as well, which is a wonderful all expenses paid holiday to amazing locations like Greece or Maui or the Caribbean islands. And these are exclusive to demonstrators, and Stampin' Up! Spoils us while we are there. Now, the reason I'm going on and on about all this is because there's an incredible promotion going on right now, only until August 31st, which is the extra promotion. You can join Stampin' Up! And get even more awesome free product in your starter kit. Now, year-round here in Canada, the starter kit costs $135, and it includes $165 worth of any products you choose, because you're going to get a 20% discount right away. And you get to keep that 20% discount for at least the next 4 months and have the opportunity to increase it as well. But right now, if you join before August 31st, you'll get to choose an additional $40 in product for your kit for free. That's $205 worth of product for $135. And it all arrives right to your door with free shipping. Yes, you heard that right. I said free shipping. And there's more. You're also going to receive a $14 coupon code to use during the month of September. And yes, you can get holiday catalog items in your starter kit. So here is an example of items that you can include in your starter kit. One of my favorite things about Stampin' Up! Is that you get to choose, because you might be joining as a demonstrator when you've already been a customer for a while, and maybe you already have lots and lots of inks, or maybe you already have lots and lots of stamp sets. So they're not going to make you buy things that you already have. You get to choose, and here's just an example of what you could get with your $165 worth of product, which you only pay $135 for. And then again, you're going to choose another $40 of product on top of that, and then $14 again the following month. So it's an amazing deal. All right, I'm going to stop yammering on about that and get on with unboxing my holiday catalog pre-order. So here are all my amazing goodies. Now, first up, we've got some cool linen trim that I bought. I like to have a bit of ribbon, and here's the polka dot tool. I like to have ribbon to embellish my projects, but I like to choose ribbon that's going to work with a wide variety of different colors and projects. So I tend to go towards the neutrals. So those are the two that I chose. Next, we've got this bundle, the Christmas Gleaming Bundle. So it's got this awesome cling stamp set with these beautiful ornament shapes. And I just love this holly. This is going to be so fun to color in. And the beautiful designs on these stamps. Oh, and look at this one too. That's going to be perfect for just accenting all kinds of different projects. And then you can bundle that with these two punches. These two punches come together and obviously are going to coordinate with these different shapes here. So that is fantastic. I did notice on the whole, it seems like there are more punches than there have been in the past, which is fantastic because I love punches. Not everybody has a die cutting machine or wants one, has the space for one. So it's great to have these as an option. Now this is another bundle that I got, the Harvest Hellos bundle, and I'm going to be using this right away to make some back to school type stuff. And then again for autumn, Halloween, pumpkin themed type cards. So I think that's super fun, and it's going to be great in the spring too to make teacher thank you gifts when that time rolls around. And this is my third punch bundle. This stamp set, the Perfectly Plaid, is the one that I got for free thanks to the wonderful customers who helped me rise to the challenge of selling 3 Daisy Lane stamp sets after On Stage. So thank you very much to Tina and Maury and Rhonda, who all purchased that stamp set for me. And I got this for free. And it's really cool looking. I have been waiting for Stampin' Up! To come out with another Christmas tree bundle since this one from many, many years ago. Remember this? Festival of Trees. And then it had the coordinating punch to punch out these trees. And as you can see, I got lots and lots of use out of it. But it sure did need an update. And this one actually retired, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago now. But I actually hung on to it because I just love being able to do these little quick little trees. And now look at the design of these trees that I'll be able to do. I love it. I love the detailing, and I love the different options here. This one is even like a photorealistic. This one's plaid. This one's got the cool branches that you can do in a different color. Look at the pine cone that you can do with 2-step stamping. And of course, super fun sentiments as well. Now this bundle goes with a suite, the Wrapped in Plaid, and so it comes with, well, it doesn't come with, but you can purchase the Designer Series paper, 6x6, and it's got all these fantastic designs. Oh my gosh, look at those cute little reindeer on there. It does make me think of Christmas sweaters, right? So these are fabulous traditional Christmas colors. Great for cards or gift packaging or any kind of holiday projects. And you know, some of these like this, you could use that on any card, any nice masculine card or any project. And then of course, in just one moment, I'm going to flip it over and we'll check out the other side. Oh, wow. Now the other side has these copper foil accents. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Is that copper actually? I think that's gold. This one's gold. There's another one that's coming later that's got copper in it. Oh my goodness. Imagine that for your little table favors for your Christmas table. That's fantastic. I swear, my grandma used to wear a skirt with this exact tartan pattern on it. Just beautiful. Now you could use these all year round, all these amazing plaid patterns, couldn't you? I mean, it's got a little bit of bling, so it's perfect for Christmas, but you don't have to stop there. These are really wonderful, versatile patterns. Okay, I'm reminding myself to speed up. I'm just so in love with these that I'm going really slow. Okay, so that is part of the Wrapped in Plaid suite with the stamp set and punch and the Designer Series paper. Now here's the next one. What do we got here? Frosted frames and frosted foliage. So just loving these bold sentiments and big graphical designs that are going to make it so quick and easy to design your Christmas projects. And then these are the dies that coordinate, and you can see how these are going to just create a splash of, well, of foliage that go around your project. So I think those are just stunning. I can't wait to play with those. Now this paper here, this is the one that's got the copper accents. Can you see that? That is gorgeous. And I love using the color blue in my Christmas designs. Oh my goodness. So this goes obviously with the ornaments that I showed you earlier with these punches and this stamp set. You can see the same kind of designs there. And I just love the colors that they've chosen. Wow, that is stunning. All right, and now we'll flip them over and look at the back side. Ooh, I love those little stars. All of these would make amazing treat boxes or gift packaging of any kind. I love it. I love it. And again, a lot of these, particularly this one, and this one. Oh, and this one too here. These are just great for masculine projects at any time of year. Can you see those four? There we go. See all four of those there? Fabulous, fabulous patterns. Okay. And then, what have we got here? We've got the Tiny Keepsakes bundle. Now, some of you, if you've been doing Stampin' Up! For a while, you might remember this old one, the Curvy Keepsake box. And they retired that one a couple of years ago. And I kept it because I like it so much. And this year they've come out with the Tiny Keepsake die. Oh, that is a huge improvement. So with the Curvy Keepsake box die, which as I said is now retired, you had to run this die through your machine twice to get a full box. Now with this, you're only going to have to run it through once, and it's going to cut the full box for you. And then as you can see, that box is going to be smaller. Yeah, that's going to fit on a 6x6 piece of designer series paper. Fantastic. One sheet of designer series paper, and you could cut this whole thing, which means that you should be able to get 4 of these out of one of the big sheets, the big 12x12s. Anyway, so this adorable little box is going to hold like one Ferrero Rocher chocolate, or a few boxes, or a few little Hershey's miniatures, or whatever other kind of little treat that you might want to put in there. And of course, you can decorate it in whatever style you like, or if you're just gonna cut it out of one of our beautiful DSPs, it's not gonna need a lot of decoration. And then there's these little dies. Look at these. All of these have got little holes, like you can use that as a tag, and it's got the stitched detailing too, so that's going to make an adorable little gift tag. I'm going to be using this one a lot for my craft fairs. Oh, and the stamp set that goes with it. So it's got these 2 big stamps. These are going to be good for you to stamp on the outside of the box if you're using plain cardstock. And then it's got these adorable little sentiments, and then this sweet snowflake that coordinates with that little thinlet there. One more thing I want to tell you before I end this video. Do you remember at the beginning I told you one of the perks of being a demonstrator is earning flex points and earning sales incentives? Well, all these goodies that you've just seen right here are proof of that, because what you just saw is It's slightly over $350 in product, and I paid less than $80 for it, thanks to the Flex Points program, where I earn points for every dollar in sales all through the year. Now, I always end up using my points to get free product so that I have lots and lots of current goodies to demonstrate in classes and show them through my video and blog posts, and my customers get to play with them when they come to classes. When I say that being a demonstrator has awesome perks, I've got the free product to back me up. So if you are interested in joining my team, or if you have any questions about what's involved and what that might look like for you, please drop me a line and let's chat, because I want to make sure that you feel super confident and excited about taking this step. And remember that this extra promotion is going to end on August 31st. So don't waste any time. You've only got a little bit less than 3 weeks to jump on that. Which doesn't mean that you couldn't join my team on September 1st or any other time through the year. Of course you could, but I definitely want to get you to maximize your rewards as much as possible, because I'm all about that. So if you want a copy of the holiday catalog so that you can start making your wish list, drop me a line, and I'm happy to get a catalog to you, because it's an absolutely gorgeous catalog, so much good stuff in it, and you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching today and bearing with me as we do this unboxing. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it. All of these products are going to be available to you starting September 4th on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you can also find project tutorials, current promotional details, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code is going to get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, which perhaps you could use towards a starter kit, just saying, all you need to do is place an order of over $200, or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye.